Upsells after checkout are when you place an order and on the thank you page, you're presented with an offer, and with just a click, it adds to your order. And they're by far the highest converting upsell ever. Here's what it looks like on the front end of a store. You add an item to the cart, you go through the checkout, and this is Cashier, and that's why it's just one click to checkout. And on the thank you page, you are presented with an offer and just a click and it's added. And you can have, of course, funnels on the thank you page as well too. So you can have more than one product. And so you can accept what you want, decline what you don't want. And then it's all added in one order together. The customers don't need to re-enter their credit card, don't need to re-enter their address. It just works. Here's how you create them. So in the Bold Upsell app admin, you can either go to your current offer section or just click create offer. Let's go ahead and do that. You're going to give it an internal name. This is so you can reference it and find it. Some people have hundreds of offers in their library, so make it descriptive so you can find it later if you need to. And here is where you define that is an upsell after checkout. Upsells can happen on the add to cart button, the checkout button, or after the checkout. So obviously we're going to do after checkout for this. And then if we want a product to trigger the offer, we would select products. So say we wanted these 3 products to trigger the offer, we would just select them and then those would be the trigger products. But we're not going to do that right now. And actually, if you don't select any conditions, the offer will fire on every single order. You can set date range, you can set cart value. And since we're offering 50% off on this order, let's say they have to spend $100 to get the offer and we'll make it up to $1,000. And you can set a date range of today and let's make the sale last for a week. You can always start and stop sales anytime you want as well too. The last thing you can select is if you are out of stock, do you want the offer not to show? And then finally, you create your offer. So this is your call to action. Don't forget ghosters. And this is what customers are going to see on the thank you page. So make it descriptive, make it selling, and then what product you want to offer. You can actually offer multiple products. We're going to just do one. And you can see it's $12.99 there. And something unique about an upsell after checkout is you can offer a discount on it. It doesn't change the price of it in your store. It only changes the price on the thank you page. And you can go by percent or go by dollar. And we're going to do 50% here. So let's just set this at 50%. It dynamically changes the price on the thank you page. Okay. And if you did want to create funnels, you could, of course, do that as well too. But make sure you watch the funnel video. Now I've got that offer in my library. I can check and see what my trigger is, when it starts, when it stops, and my min and max range. I can edit it. I can duplicate this if I want to clone it. I can check reports, lots of things you can do here. Let's go and see what that looks like on the front of the store. So I'm going to add this coffee maker to the cart. I'm going to go to checkout and it's over $100. So this should trigger the offer. I've got this other offer here. Let's go ahead and accept that too. And this is the Bold Cashier checkout. Looks exactly the same as Shopify's checkout. Works exactly the same. One unique thing, again, it stores the credit card, so it's just a click. Now on the thank you page, we have the offer that we just created and it's 50% off. And with just a click, I can add it. Don't need to re-enter address, credit card information or anything like that. And finally, if you want to style your upsell offers a little bit, just head over to settings and under general settings in the cashier section, you can control the call to action, the countdown timer, the styling, pretty much anything you want. And just a reminder, you do need Cashier to do upsells after checkout. It's free to install. Just head over to boldcommerce.com/cashier and you can grab it there. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, email support@boldcommerce.com or check out our support forum. Or of course, if you want to find more about Upsell, just boldcommerce.com/upsell.